Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford E-150, 1998 to 2001? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1998 and 1999 Ford E-150 controls interior electrical systems such as power windows, dashboard lights, radio, and courtesy lights. It uses standard blade-type fuses for circuit protection. Each fuse is identified by a number and description for easy servicing. The layout supports straightforward troubleshooting and maintenance of cabin electronics. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2000 and 2001 Ford E-150 supports interior systems like the instrument panel, power windows, door locks, and audio components. It uses standard blade fuses for reliable circuit protection. Fuse positions are clearly labeled for ease of identification and service. The design ensures organized management of cabin electrical functions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1998 and 2000 Ford E-150 powers critical systems such as the ignition, fuel pump, ABS, and engine control module. It contains high current fuses and relays designed for rugged engine bay conditions. Fuse and relay positions are clearly labeled for efficient diagnostics. The setup ensures stable power distribution to essential drivetrain components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 Ford E-150 manages power for key systems, including the PCM, fuel pump, ABS, and ignition components. It features high current fuses and relays designed to withstand engine bay conditions. The layout is organized with labeled circuits for easy troubleshooting. It ensures reliable operation of essential powertrain and safety systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, Standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.